is a District 228 tutorial on Calendly, which is hard to say, but super easy to use and a terrific resource for anyone who needs to schedule appointments with parents or students. If this is your first time using Calendly, then go ahead and sign up in the top right-hand corner. If you've used Calendly before, then go ahead and log in. Your Calendly homepage will look something like this. Your 3 default event types are 15-minute, 30-minute, and 60-minute meetings. You can either choose to edit these defaults, or you can create a new event type, and it'll ask you a series of questions based on what kind of events you'd like to create as a category. One-on-one or group. A specific name will help you stay organized. You can color code and describe your events. And you can even choose how long you'd like each scheduled meeting to last, including a custom event duration. Once you've chosen all of your settings, don't forget to make sure your availability is accurate. And then your event type will be saved. And here it is. Next, all you need to do is share that link with as many students, parents, teachers, friends that you'd like to book appointments with, and watch your calendar fill up. Please receive your email. They simply click the link, then choose a date and time they'd like to meet with you. It will ask them for their information, and then your event is scheduled. Once the invitee has clicked confirm, it will show up on both Google Calendars. I can then edit the event to add a Google Meet if we'll be meeting digitally. Thank you very much for watching this District 228 Tech tutorial. Please reach out to your school librarians if you need any help.